Welcome to today's exploration of tungsten heavy alloy, a remarkable material renowned for its unique properties. Tungsten heavy alloy is composed of tungsten combined with other metals, typically nickel and iron, resulting in a dense and high-performance material. Tungsten heavy alloys boast exceptional density, making them ideal for applications where weight is a critical factor. With a density approaching that of pure tungsten, these alloys exhibit remarkable hardness and strength, setting them apart in the world of advanced materials. The manufacturing process involves sintering, a method where powdered metals are compacted and heated to fuse into a solid mass. This meticulous process ensures the uniform distribution of tungsten within the alloy, guaranteeing consistent and reliable performance. Tungsten heavy alloys find their way into a myriad of industries. In aerospace, these alloys contribute to the development of precision components, ensuring durability and reliability. The medical field benefits from their use in radiation shielding and collimators. Tungsten heavy alloys find extensive use in defense applications. They are integral to the development of armor-piercing projectiles, enhancing penetration capabilities. Additionally, their use in counterweight and components for military equipment ensures optimal performance and durability in the most challenging environments. Stanford Advanced Materials is a leading provider in this domain. With a commitment to excellence, Stanford Advanced Materials has been at the forefront of supplying high-quality tungsten products globally. To explore their extensive range and learn more, visit www.samaterials.com.